The world of photography in 2025 has never been more exciting, with brands like Sony, Canon, and Fujifilm constantly pushing the boundaries of what cameras can achieve. But now, all eyes are on Nikon. After months of leaks, rumors, and growing anticipation, Nikon has finally revealed what could be its most important release in years, the Nikon Z90. This isn't just another mirrorless camera. It's being called the perfect balance between speed, resolution, video power, and portability. The Z9 showed us Nikon's flagship ambition. The Z8 gave us compact pro performance, but the Z90? It might just be the best all-around mirrorless camera of 2025. The world of photography in 2025 is more competitive, innovative, and fast-moving than ever before. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Nikon Z90, from its design philosophy to its performance and whether it truly deserves the crown as the best camera of the year. Every year, companies like Sony, Canon, and Fujifilm push the limits of what a camera can do. But Nikon, a brand with over a century of heritage, has always had a way of surprising the market with bold, forward-looking innovations. And now, after months of speculation, leaks, and mounting anticipation, Nikon has finally revealed what could be its most important release in years, the Nikon Z90. Already, the camera world is buzzing with one big question. Is this the best mirrorless camera of 2025? The Nikon Z90 doesn't just arrive as another entry in the Z series lineup, it arrives with the weight of expectations. Nikon has faced pressure not only to keep pace with Sony's relentless Alpha series and Canon's powerhouse R line, but also to deliver something that feels distinctly Nikon, a blend of craftsmanship, durability, and innovation that appeals to both professionals and passionate enthusiasts. The Z9 redefined Nikon's flagship ambitions, while the Z8 gave creators a more compact yet equally powerful option. But there has always been a space between high-end pro models and enthusiast-level cameras, a space where users want speed, resolution, and versatility without the intimidating size or overwhelming price tag of a flagship. The Z90 seems designed precisely to fill that gap. From the moment details started leaking, the Z90 has been hyped as the camera that could balance performance with accessibility. Some insiders claim it's Nikon's most well-rounded mirrorless body yet, one that doesn't force users to compromise between stills and video, between speed and image quality, or between portability and ruggedness. Whether you're a professional wedding photographer needing reliability, a sports shooter craving high-speed bursts, or a content creator pushing cinematic video production, Nikon appears to have built the Z90 to satisfy all those demands in one carefully engineered package. But hype alone isn't enough. What makes the Nikon Z90 so special? How does it compare to its competitors in 2025? And more importantly, is this camera truly the best mirrorless system available right now? To answer those questions, we need to dive deep into its design philosophy, its rumored and confirmed specs, its real-world applications, and the impact it could have on the future of photography. Passionate enthusiasts. The Z9 redefined Nikon's flagship ambitions, while the Z8 gave creators a more compact yet equally powerful option. But there has always been a space between high-end pro models and enthusiast-level cameras, a space where users want speed, resolution, and versatility without